PhD topic. So he is working under Dr. Sundareswaran in Calicut University. So formerly he did masters in Kaladi, Shankaracharya University, right? Yeah.
Kalavyala Vilasini Ganeshaya Namo Neelakamala Malakandai. The title is Paramesvara's commentary on Lilavati Perceptions and Prospects. The word perception implies observation of an object. The present paper leaves out some such observations on an unpublished commentary on Lilavati, namely Paramesvara. Lilavati is the culminating point of a saga of mathematical activity in India composed by Bhaskara900. As is well known, it is one of the major portions of a greater work called Siddhanta Shiromani. The incorporation of exercises, the use of humor, turning mathematical language into poetical language, etc. are some of the features of the work. In the abundance of commentaries, Lilavati ranks with Bhagavad Gita and Kavya Prakasha. Kavya Prakasha, which is a Sanskrit poetics work composed by Kashmir scholar Mamada. Number of commentaries and versions in regional languages, Kannada, Telugu and Malayalam are available. 3 Persian translations are known. Abdul Fayed Faydi's translation took place according to the instruction given by Mughal Emperor Akbar. A list of Sanskrit commentaries is shown here in a chronological order. Ganidamrita Lahari of Nrsimhasuda Ramakrishna, Padi Ganida Kaumudi of Nrsimhaputra Narayana, Ganidamrita Kubiga of Suryadasa, Buddhi Vilasani of Ganesha Daivatnya, Lilavati Tika of Mahidasa, Lilavati Vivrdi of Munishwara, Lilavati Vivarana of Mahidhara, Vasana Bhashya Vyakhya called Midha Bhashani of Nrsimhasuda Ranganatha, Karma Pradipika of Narayana, Manoranjana of Ramakrishna Deva, etc. A.K. Bag has given a list of 40 Sanskrit commentaries of Lilavati in his work Mathematics in Ancient and Medieval India. Colebrook notes a commentary called Ganida Kaumudi. References to Ganida Kaumudi can be seen in the commentaries of Ranganatha and Suryadasa. Besides these, the Keralite Sanskrit commentaries Paramesvara of Vadasheri Paramesvara and the Kriya Kramagari of Shankaravarya and Mahishamangalam Narayana are notable. According to R.C. Gupta, a well-known historian of Indian mathematics, the best traditional commentary is Kriya Kramagari. Colebrook suggests Buddhi Vilasani as the best one. But it is worthy to note that these scholars may not have considered the commentary of Paramesvara while making such comments, as the commentary of Paramesvara was hidden in the form of unpublished palm leaf manuscripts. Now, the Paramesvara commentary of Lilavati. Keralite historians Ullur S. Paramesvarayar, Vadakkungur Rajarajavarma, and K. Kunjani Raja have given references about Paramesvara's commentary on Lilavati. K.V. Sharma, in his History of Kerala School of Hindu Astronomy, has also given references about Paramesvara's Lilavati commentary. Raja, Ullur and Sharma have given the manuscript numbers of this commentary. Anyhow, using these manuscript numbers, one cannot locate Lilavati commentary in the repositories. It can be found with the following numbers. Manuscript number 10614B in the Kerala University Oriental Manuscript Library, Trivandrum. There are 94 folios, average 12 lines per folio and letters 44. The script is Malayalam. It is complete, good and readable, but it contains many scribal errors. This is the manuscript of an Trivandrum library, and manuscript number 498B found out in the manuscript repository of University of Calicut. There are 73 folios and 9 lines, average 9 lines per folio and 46 letters per line. The script is in Malayalam. It is also complete one. And a manuscript in Adyar Library and Research Institute, manuscript number 12796. There are 70 folios, average 9 lines per folio and 55 letters per line. Script is Malayalam. It is also complete and readable. And the fourth one with the number 887B. It is an incomplete manuscript found out in the University of Calicut. Based on all these manuscripts, a critical edition has been prepared, of which the introductory part is shown here. The text runs as follows. Harishri Ganapataye Namah Avignamastu Avignena Parisamaptir Bhoyal Pranamami Ganeshanam Parvatya Angasamsthidam Vagishwaram Abhidadha Sri Rudramcha Kripanidhim. After this customary invocation, the author proceeds. Nilaya Sagarasyabi Tirastha Paramesvara Vyakhyaanamasmai Balaya Lilavatya Karomyaham. Tatra tavat ayam acharyaha ishtadevadas tudipurvagam chigirshidamaha pridimiti. The words in the text Lilavati shown as bold. Sadganitasya padim Vichitra Rupasya Ganidasya Paripadim Lilavati Samnitam Vachmi. Lalitya Lalayitva Ityartaha. Kejit Shabda Shuddhyartham Lalitya Lilavadim Ityegam Padangritva Vadanti. The point is to be noted, no other commentator has split the word like this. Lalitya Lilavadim, etc. Kila tatravi adiprasado na asman manasi vartade. Adha vyavahara siddhyartham panadi drivya samnyamaha varadaganamidi. Varadaganamidi. Remember the verse Varadaganam dashagadvayam yat sakagini. Vimshati varadaga ega kagini syad. Chadasraha kaginyaha egaha panaha syad. Evam anyebi vedyaha. Likewise, the rest should be known. Now about the commentator. The commentator is Vadasheri Parameswaran Nambudiri, who authored more than 20 works, including independent works, commentaries and super commentaries. As in the case of many other Kerala mathematical works, those of Paramesvara were also hidden in the form of manuscripts for about 400 years. It was in 1874 that H. Kern initially took a venture to publish the work of Paramesvara from Leiden of Holland. He brought to light Paramesvara's commentary on Aryabhatiya called Bhadadipika. Most of the other works were published during 1940 to 60 by K.V. Sharma, Ganapati Shastri, Gangadhar Bapurao Kale from Punjab, Trivandrum and Pune respectively. These are the works of Paramesvara. Drigganida, Goladipika, Grahana Mandana, Grahana Nyayadipika, Grahana Ashtaga, Vakyakarana. They are independent astronomical treatises. And commentaries, Parameswari commentary on Laghu Bhaskariya, Karma Deepika commentary on Mahabhaskariya, Bhashya on the Mahabhaskariya Bhashya of Govinda Swamin, commentary of the Legumanasa of Munjala, Parameswari commentary on Lilavati, a gloss on his on Gola Deepika, and a commentary on Surya Siddhanta, etc. And some astrological treatises are also there. Ajara Sangraha, Jadaga Paddhati, a commentary for the Muhurta Ratna of Govinda, commentary for the Jadaga Paddhati of Shripadi, commentary for the Prashna Shat Panjashika of Pradhuyashas, etc. And some works are still need to be unearthed. They are Muhurta Ashtaka Deepika, Vakya Deepika and Bha Deepika. The life of Paramesvara. Paramesvara indicates his birthplace in his Lilavati commentary and also in the concluding verse on Surya Siddhanta commentary as Nilaya Sagarasyabi Tirastha Paramesvara Vyakhyaanamasmai Balaya Lilavatya Karomyaham. And in the Surya Siddhanta commentary it is found Nilaya Sangamad Saumye Sthidena Paramadina Siddhantam Vivradam Samyak Ishwarenedam Alpasha. From the verse it is evident that Paramesvara lived on the conjunct where river Nila meets Arabian Sea. In his commentary on Vakyakarana, Sundararaja has recorded the house name of Paramesvara. Mahishamangalam Shankaran Nambudiri, in his Balashankara commentary on Kaladipaka, has also pointed out that the house name as Vadashreni, in Malayalam Vadasheri. From Goladipika and Grahana Mandana, it can be read that Paramesvara was a Rigvedi Brahmin of Bhrigu Gotra. In short, commentator Paramesvara was a Rigvedi Brahmin of Vashulayana Sutra and Bhrigu Gotra. He was the grandson of the disciple of Govinda. He was born in a village called Alatiyur, where Nila meets the Arabian Sea. It was 18 yojanas west to the central meridian, Ujjain, and had a sign latitude of 647. This place is identified near Tripparangod temple of Alatiyur of Malappuram, Kerala. But at present, no remains of this house Vadasreni are left here. Now the teachers of Paramesvara. Paramesvara has several times mentioned about his teacher, Rudra, with great respect. In Lilavati Bhashya, it is seen in the colophon, Srimad Rudrasya Shishyena Lilavatya Kritam Maya Paramesvara Namnaiva Vyakhya. Kelalur Nilakanta Somyajin has recorded that Paramesvara on his childhood itself learned the lessons of mathematics and spherics under the tutelage of Madhava, Rudra and Narayana. Now the long penance of 55 years. Drirganita has been evaluated as the magnum opus work of Paramesvara. For composing Drirganita, Paramesvara observed the eclipses for 55 years. In his Siddhanta Deepika commentary on Mahabhaskariya, Paramesvara has elaborately given the details of the eclipses he had observed. Now coming to the features of the commentary. Dattatreya, in his foreword to the Lilavati, along with Buddhi Vilasini and Vivarana commentary, identifies that the commentaries on Lilavati can be classified into two based on their purpose. Some commentaries interpret each word or sentences on Lilavati. Paramparyopadesha on Ganita is not a prerequisite in composing such commentaries. They are known as Madhyamika Tikas. Mahidhara's Lilavati Vivarana can be cited as an example to this class. And the second class is, along with etymology, some commentaries show the methods for solving the mathematical puzzles on Lilavati. They also supplement the Upapatis. But here, Paramparyopadesha is a prerequisite and such commentaries are known as Prashasyatara Tikas. The Buddhi Vilasini commentary of Ganesha Devajna is an example to this class. T.A. Saraswati Amma observes that the commentary Parameshwari does not include much mathematical material compared to Kriya Kramagari commentary. Hence, Parameshwari commentary can be listed in the first class. Another major point to be noted is that the Kriya Kramagari commentary of Lilavati quotes from Parameshwara's works more than 10 times. Angeshu Ishtakritistapya Sheshascha Atra Ishta Samgunaha Sheshagnamishtam Yogandameva Syad Karma Tatkritihi Ishtavarga Kride Shuddhau Tanmulam Dvigunam Hara Sheshe Hara Kride Tyakte Phalavargecha Harage Phalam Dvignam Kshibed Bhuyopyevam Haradalam Padam, etc. Most of these quotations can be traced in the Parameshwari commentary. In the modern mathematics, to find the radius of the circumference of a cyclic quadrilateral with sides ABCD, the formula of Euler is used. It is worthy to note that Paramesvara has given this result explicitly in his Parameshwari commentary. Doshnam dvayor ghadayudinam tisranam vadhal, etc. J.J. Conner and E.F. Robertson have noted this finding. They have not supplemented the original verse. The Kriya Kramagari commentary introduces the very same verse and gives the rationale Upapatti too. It may be from Kriya Kramagari that Conner and Robertson have known about the result of Paramesvara. The very same verse can be found out in many Malayalam commentaries of Lilavati. And as noted by M.D. Srinivas, while considerable attention has been paid to the achievements of Indian mathematics, by cataloguing the results and processes discovered by them, very little work seems to have been done on the methodological foundation of Indian mathematics and the methods of validation of mathematical results and process. Traditionally, such issues have been dealt with mainly in the so-called commendarial literature, which has been completely ignored by the modern scholarship. For Indian mathematics to come on its own, it would be necessary for us to rediscover our own genius in mathematics. Unquote. Thank you.
Hello. In the invocatory verse of Paramesvara,
Nila.
Ganeshanam Pranamami Ganeshanam
Sri
Parvatya Ankasamsthitam. I want to know the etymological derivation of the Ganeshana to refer to Ganapati.
Ganapati.
Ganeshana is the word to refer to Ganapati. What is the vyutpatti for that? Okay.
Maybe
Because generally Ishana refers to Ishvara. So here the very interesting phrase Ganeshana. I have never ever heard this. So I'm just interested in. Ishana. Like that. No.
What is the final name to make a edited, publish an edited text of this thing, is it?
Yes.
You will edit it and of this, based on all these manuscripts. You will edit it and publish it, that is the aim. And translate it also? Or? Okay, translate and explanation for that. How many manuscripts?
4 manuscripts are there, and
You have convinced yourself that there are no upapattis at all in this commentary?
pardon, sir.
You have convinced yourself that there are no upapattis at all in this commentary?
So far I have not seen.
Till what point have you seen?
About 45 leaves. I have checked.
About the half of
Half.
out. So what would be the reason why Paramesvara is giving that radius of cyclic quadrilateral?
That should be checked.
We have not reached that point.
I think that Dharma Sutra, giving that formula, I suppose it is not Paramesvara's. It might be floating in the medieval Kerala tradition. Many formulas are there ascribed to Paramesvara by Kriyakramakari author, by Shankaracharya. Maybe. I am dealing with that in my paper.
So it may be there earlier also, you say?
Yes.
Radius of
It may not be Paramesvara's.
I'm interested in the name Parameshwari for the commentary. Is this characteristic of the titles of commentaries by Parameshwara on other works? I mean, it seems unusual in the Kerala school for a commentary just to be named after the author, though we see that, in many types of works and in many cases. I'm interested if you think that the title was given by Parameshwara himself. Is it just a nickname that has been attached to the work as the commentary of Parameshwara? What can you say about this title, if anything?
The word is seen in the colophon. Paramesvara.
In the commentary itself, does he mention the name of the commentary somewhere?
Yeah.
No, what is
Parameshwari.
Parameshwari.
He calls it Vivarana or Parameshwara?
Parameshwari. Idi Srimad-Rudrasya Shishyena Kridam Maya Parameshwara Namnaivam Vyakhya.
In the commentary itself, he uses the word
Parameshwari.
Can you show the verse?
This is not readable. What you are showing is not
No.
No. Yes. Write it the verse.
You can just read out the passage. You have written.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not readable.
Yeah.
Just read
Read
out
the
the
passage
passage.
where Parameshwari occurs.
You have written in Devanagari, no? Slide you can show.
He's reading something you can read if you can. He cannot read from here.
Srimad-Rudrasya Shishyena.
Where?
Srimad-Rudrasya Shishyena.
Just Shishyena.
Shishyena. Lilavatya Kradamaya Parameshwara Namnaiva Vyakhya. Vyakhya.
This only speaks of the name of the
Comment.
commentary. Yeah, please.
It is reminiscent of his commentary, the Aryabhatiya Bhashya, which also doesn't have a flowery title to it. It is just, the Paramesvara Bhashya on the Aryabhatiya. Very plain.
About the date of the author, is it mentioned in the commentary itself, or
No.
how we have derived the date?
Date can be arrived from the manuscript. We cannot arrive at the date.
He has mentioned anywhere, like
No, he has not mentioned
Bhaskara.
about the date in Lilavati commentary.
So where did you take the date from?
Date we can take from other sources, from the other works. K.V. Sharma has given.
K.V. Sharma.
No, his eclipses are very clearly recorded. Eclipses are recorded over a period of time. So from that, he's not able to pinpoint the birth date, but definitely his period is quite clear.
Many of these works are given, just like Virganita, Trisu Vishwamitra.
Paramesvara stated that he commenced his observation on the Shaga year 1315, and Kelalur Nilakanta Somyajin has recorded that Paramesvara observations continued till Shaga 1445. Thus, it can be safely assumed that the 55 years from that the date is.
Very. Any other questions? I have a couple of questions. Is the name Nila or Nila river? You have been Nilaya Stirena.
Nila.
Is it Nila or Nila?
Nila.
Hrasvam athava Dirgham?
Hraswa. First one is Hraswa, then Dirgha. Nila.
It is Nilaya.
Nilaya.
It is given by Melbutur Narayana Bhatta. It is Narayana, Nila. Locally also it is called as Nila, not Nila. In Malayalam also, poets use the
Otherwise,
Nila.
So what does Nila mean? Nila iti Samskrita padam vartadeva?
Nila Samskritam Nila Rama Bhu Sampudya Paduka Devi Namo Rama. That is from the Rajarajeshwari, Lalita Ashtotara.
Nila iti sabdasya kortha.
Maybe we will have to investigate. Right now I am not able to give, but it is a Sanskrit term, Nila.
No.
And you were referring to the commentary by Munishwara. So you had written as Lilavati Vivrti. So it has a specific name, no? Munishwara's commentary on Lilavati. It has a very specific name. You had referred to as Lilavati Vivrti.
Specific name.
Specific name is Nisrishtartha Duti. And what is the basis for classifying as Prashasyatara and Madhyamatika?
The classification is made by Datta. Dattatreya.
That I heard, but then I was asking what is the basis?
For some commentaries, the Parambarya Udesha on Ganida is necessary. So Dattatreya has given such classification. Dattatreya.
Okay, then thank you. We thank the speaker.